Alright everybody, I'm here in Millville, West Virginia, near the stone quarry. We got a couple CSX trains tied down, and boy are they farty. I mean, they're farting like an old grandma. Let's see if we can get one here, because oh my goodness, all they're doing is farting. Come on. Oh, you hear? I didn't see any spray, but there's definitely evidence of spray. So yeah. Lots of farting going on, good times. Check this out, there's an old engine here that they're working on. I think they're working on the trucks or something, because they pulled them out, put them over there. But regardless of all that, there's a lot of farts. I mean, it's calmed down a little bit. Oh, it's just paradise. It's a fart paradise. Couldn't get any better than this. You want to see an engine looks like got it farted out. Look at this ugly thing. That thing is ugly. I'm told it's an ex-Santa Fe. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, look at that thing. That thing ugly. Ugly, ugly, ugly. But I'm sure back in the day it was cool. Alright. Oh my God, you hear that? Wow. Oh. Fart at you later.